Continue to follow our breaking news this morning. The federal government has begun shutting down after Congress failed to approve a spending bill.
And today, hundreds of thousands of federal workers will be notified to stay at home. They'll be furloughed without pay. Meanwhile, thousands of essential employees like military troops and air traffic controllers, they'll be reporting for duty, but they won't be getting paid for now either. Republicans are pushing to fund the government at current levels until next month, but Democrats, they want a bill that extends federal health care subsidies and protects Medicaid.
Bottom line is we need to stop these premiums from going up dramatically. We need to do it now.
This is unnecessary, avoidable.
It's important to point out members of Congress and the president, they will continue to get their paychecks during this shutdown. The last shutdown in 2018 lasted longer than a month.
This shutdown will also be felt by federal workers right here in the Philadelphia region.
CBS News Philadelphia's Jan Carabeo live outside of Independence Hall with more on how the shutdown could be different from what we've seen in the past. Jan, good morning.
Janelle and Jim, good morning. Federal employees who work here along Independence Mall, they have gone through government shutdowns and furloughs in the past, but this one could be different because the administration says layoffs could be coming as well. So let's break it down and show you what this means. A memo sent by the Office of Management and Budget told agencies to consider reduction in force notices. So basically layoffs on the federal level if there's a government shutdown, which there is. According to the memo, layoffs could be considered for programs and projects where discretionary funding stops today and in programs that are not consistent with the president's priorities. By the way, federal data shows there are just about 34,000 federal workers here in the Philadelphia area. CBS News Philadelphia spoke to union leaders about the possibility of layoffs.
It should be based on efficiency and productivity, not based on whim and retaliation and anger at some political party. They should never, federal employees should never be a political football, and they have been way too many times.
Now, it's unclear when these layoffs could happen and just how many people could be impacted. Jim, back into you.
Thanks so much, Jan, for that update.